Hey everybody, Anissa here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, happy that you discovered me, and I hope you decide to hit subscribe and join my glam tribe here because we talk about all things glam: wigs, makeup, skincare, natural hair, even a little bit. So if it's glam, you will find it here. Also, if you are part of my subscriber tribe, welcome back. I am so excited to hang out with you all again. And I'm really excited about this video because you guys, let me get really real with you. I am on a budget in 2019. I cannot go crazy. I haven't ordered in Fashion Nova in over a month. You guys, I am working really hard to stay on a really good budget. So if you're with me and you like budget-friendly beauty products, please put in a comment down below so I know it's this little hallelujah moment. Beauty on a budget in 2019, because we are gonna do this. We are not gonna break the bank, and we are still gonna look really damn fabulous. Now, today's beauty on a budget in 2019 product is the Black Radiance Contour Palette. I know this has been out for a while, but for me, I finally found it in Target. I paid like $7.99 for it, and you get all of this for it. You have some really great instructions. So if you are a newbie to the glam world, welcome. 1, 2, this has you covered because it tells you where to apply the product, like a contour versus a sculpting product. So you can go deep, the sculpt is lighter, and also a highlight to bring out certain areas of the face. Now today I'm using the Morphe M530. I use this so much. Honestly, I need to clean it again, but I just cleaned it the other day. But I could not wait to share this with you all because I've been holding back. I'm sorry. So here we go. I'm gonna start with the sculpt part, so the one right in the center right here, and then I'll add that depth with the contour. So the first place I'm gonna start adding this is on the cheeks. So literally smiling, seeing where the apple of my cheek is and going right behind that. So as you can see, there's definitely a little more depth on this side compared to this side. Now, I really like this sculpt color for the nose because I used to go really hard with nose contour, but I'm slowly but surely getting out of it. So I'm gonna go right underneath, right here. That just works for my shape. And contouring is all about bringing out your shape of your face. Let me emphasize that for a reason, because I'm going to really play up certain areas and you may need to play up other parts. And the brush I'm using is a BH Cosmetics one. It's from an old kit I have on this channel. Their Sculpt and Blend set for the face. But I just like the way this will fit right into this area. And then I'll take another one from it and just blend it out and drag it up just so it's super seamless and easy. Now, still working this sculpt color, I'm gonna go through the center of the forehead and bring it in. So now you can really see that area highlight without even putting a highlighter. And then I'm gonna blend her back. Boom. And I'm gonna do the sculpt right along the chin area and drag it down. And if you still feel like there's ever rough lines, always know your fingers just doing light patting can help to break that down pretty easy. Now we're gonna work on this contour, which is the deeper shade. And I'm just picking up some in the pan and then tapping off excess. Now this, I'm gonna go along the hairline. And when I do that, I'm blending it all the way here. So you can see, here's where the contour is, here where it is. Go right along the jawline. And right at the back of the cheek. So I'm gonna make this connecting motion. And I even take a little excess and go right under the nose. So. Alright, so now it's time to highlight. That is literally my favorite part of makeup. Actually, all of it's my favorite part, but boy oh boy, I can go ham on some highlighter. Now to do your highlight, you can use either of these brushes, a fan brush. Many companies have them. This one's from Morphe, it's the M601, and then my favorite to always go in with some highlighter is the Morphe M501. To me, it's like the perfect density, everything. This one is such a banger. What I'll usually do is do a fan brush to get most of this highlight dispersed, so really being able to go down onto the cheekbone with the highlight. And like I said, it's not a very heavy highlight, so if you want to amp it up, you're gonna have to have like another one to accompany it, to be 100% honest. And now I'm just gonna go in with the M501 and really hit up the high points to really pack it on there. If you want a more natural highlight, you could totally skip this step. But if you're extra like me, go for it. So now because I have lip color on, I'll get like my finger with some of that highlighter on and just like lightly go in on the Cupid's bow. Now to really enhance this look, I still want blush because as you see, yes, I have contour and dimension, but I need my blush. One last stipple just to make it pop a little more. There we go. All right, guys, we are done contouring. I can't say it. We're done contouring and highlighting for today with the True Complexion Contour Palette from Black Radiance, and this shade is medium to dark. I really like this product. Again, beauty on a budget 2019. Yes, I'm so here for it. I will include shoppable links for everything down below. Some of them will be an affiliate link, but I just get that to be able to put back into this channel, and I hope you choose to support me through those. If you don't, that's totally okay, but just want to leave it out there. I still really love the fact that this is so easy to use. It blends out really well, even on makeup I've had on for hours, I tell you. And this is super beginner friendly if you're just getting into contour and highlighting without being overwhelming. This does have the little bunny for being cruelty free. It does not indicate if it is vegan or not, but it is cruelty free. If you have questions, let me know in the comment box down below. Tell me if you're gonna be trying this out, and I hope to hang out with you again soon, but I can only do that if you do one thing. Come closer. Hit subscribe and join the tribe, and I will catch you in my next video. Been a good one, guys. See you.